Okay, friends, first I'm going to give you my word, and then I'm going to give you two other words, and you have to tell me which word rhymes with my word. So, for example, if my word was hot, and my two words were got, miss. Got is the word that rhymes with hot. Ready? My word is sat. Which word rhymes with sat? Is it seat or bat? Good job, bat. All right, next word. My word is get. Which word rhymes with get? Is it let or feet? Good job. Get and let both rhyme. They sound the same at the end. All right, let's try one more. My word is sun. Which word rhymes with sun? Is it run or tan? Good job. Run and sun rhyme. They sound the same at the end. Good. All right, friends, now I am going to give you two words. If my two words start with the same sound at the beginning, you're going to give me two thumbs up. Ready? Muffin, middle. Do those two words start with the same sound? Give me thumbs up or an X. Thumbs up. Muffin and middle both start with All right, my next two words are helping, happy. Do those two start with the same sound? Helping, happy. Two thumbs up. They do. They start with the same sound. Okay, last one. Kitten, letters. What do you think? Kitten and letters do not start with the same sound. All right, get your choppers out. I'm going to give you two parts of a word, and then we are going to blend it together to make one whole word. Are you ready? Say nap, kin. Put them together. Napkin. Good job. Do the next one with me. Bliss, blister, mountain, mountain, bass, kit, basket. Good job. Do it all together. Sister. Well done. All right, my friends. Now it is time for Miss Grace's favorite game. We're going to do punch it out, okay? So remember, say the word first, and then we're going to pull it across our body and punch out the last sound in the word. Our first word is self. Say self. Let's pull it out. Self. What went through the ceiling? What sound? Is the last sound in self. Let's do another one. My word is weak. Can you say weak? All right, punch it out. Weak. What went through the ceiling? Went through the ceiling. Good job. Now our word is team. Say team. Team. Ooh, what went through the ceiling that time? Went through the ceiling. Good job. All right, one more. My word is prize. Say prize. All right, punch it out. Prize. Ooh, what went through our ceiling that time? Zzz, went through the ceiling. Good job. Alrighty, friends. We need to make choppers again, so show me your choppers. I like to link my thumbs together so they stay together. I'm going to give you a word, and you guys have to say my word and then chop the two syllables apart. Ready? So if my word was behind, you would say behind, behind. Okay, so we're chopping up those syllables. Ready? My word is pencil, pencil. Next word is kindness, kindness. Next word, gentle, gentle. And our last word, I'm going to give you a tricky one. Ready? discover, discover, right? Because discover has 3 syllables, so you have to chop up those 3 syllables. Nice job. All right, friends, this time I'm going to give you 1 syllable of a word, and then I'm going to give you the last syllable, and we're going to put them together to make a whole word. So for example, if my first syllable was nap, you would say nap, and then add kin at the end. Our word would be napkin. Ready? My first word is in. Add volve to the end. What's my word? Involve. All right, let's try another one. My word is in. Add sect to the end. Insect. Good. My word is in. Add come to the end. Income. And now my word is 6. Add teen to the end. 16. Good job. Okay, this time we are going to say the whole word, and then we're going to take a part of the word away to see what is left, okay? So, for example, if my word was tablet and I wanted you to take out tab, let would be left, okay? So we're going to delete a part of our word. My whole word is forget. Say it without get. For is left. Good job. My word is below. Say it without low. What's left? Be. Good job. Say the word report. Say it without port. What's left? Re. Good job. And last one, say the word remake. Take away make. What's left? Re. Good job. Again. Alrighty, friends, you're doing great. Now we're going to change words, parts of our word. So give me 2 fists. Put them together. My first word is bravest. Say bravest. Change brave to small. What's my word? Smallest. Good. Okay, new word. Say loudest. Change loud to tall. Tallest. Good. Keep tallest. Change tall to large. What's my word? Largest. Good job. And change large to bright. Brightest would be my word. Good job. Okay, I'm going to give you a sentence. Remember, the first time you say it fluently after me. And the second time we're going to go back and count how many words are in our sentence. Okay? Here is my first sentence. Today is Monday. Now you say it. Okay, let's count how many words. Today is Monday. Good, that one had 3 words. Be careful, we're not counting syllables, we're counting the words. Here is my next sentence. Is the weather warm today? Go ahead and say that. All right, let's count. Is the weather warm today? 5 words. Okay, here's our last sentence. What do you play at recess? Now you say it. Okay, let's count. What do you play at recess? 6 words for that last sentence. Good job. All right, friends, you did great today. Well done.